Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what are the guidance messages for my Librans, please, from 24th of August till 30th of August. 3 shuffles. Alright, so I'll be looking at your past, present, and future energies. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay. Okay, so at the back of the deck, it's the Seven of Wands. I'm seeing that you are in that state where you are like fighting for yourself, or you are just struggling. Okay, so this is more of a situation where you are communicating, you are struggling, you are in that phase of, might be of a struggling mode, struggling situation in your work, in your love life, wherever it is. Okay, so this is your present energy. Your past energies are Three of Cups, Strength, and King of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that you are working within yourself a lot, because, well, this is a Leo energy and this is a Leo season as well. So this energy in you is like loving yourself, giving yourself time, but still you are meeting, this might be like you are meeting with people with, actually, basically I'm really getting that energy where you meet new people and you want to communicate, you want to build your networking, so because you want to be successful. So that is your past energies are over here. Your present energies are Eight of Rods, King of Swords, and Five of Rods. This is more of an energy where you are really getting, like, you are getting with people. So this, I'm seeing, this is more of a competition energy, and see, with the King of Swords as well, as he's playing the chess, so more of competition and competition are coming up again and again. So this is a world where you are really struggling, and there are more people just the way you are doing. There are more people who are also doing the same things. So this is what, and we will clarify what exactly it is. Your future energies are Death, Page of Pentacles, and Queen of Rods. So you are really, this is a slow process, but it is actually coming up really beautiful, and both are with the Strength and Queen of Rods. Leo energies are here. So you are really ready to work on yourself in the future as well. So you are actually accepting the changes in your life. You are ready to accept the changes. Alright, so let's see why the Seven of Rods is here in your overall energies. Seven of Rods in overall energies, please. The Empress and the Nine of Cups. So okay, so with this, see, with the Seven of Rods, the Empress, and Nine of Cups, I'm getting that where you are really fixed, that you are right, that you are right. With the Empress over here, this energy is more about it might be dealing with the Taurus over here, but it is an energy where you are really fixed. You are very nourishing, how to care about people, how to care for people, a very caring nature, and not a very basically what happens is, when you actually care for people, they do not value you. So what you have to do, you have to fight for yourself, but people doesn't fight, people don't fight at those situations, but you are fighting. So I'm seeing that you are becoming a beautiful new you. So that is what is happening over here, and this is a wish, this is a wish fulfillment card, but really I'm not getting it today that wish fulfillment, it is more of a, where you are achieving some stability in life, where you are wanting to do something, and that is why you are fighting for that thing, and you are struggling. I'm seeing that, see, whatever this is, you are actually going up. It might be slow process, might be, success is coming really slow towards you, but you are reaching a level over here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see your past energies as the Three of Cups over here. What is this? Ace of Cups and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, you are really firm about whatever this thing is in your life. It was right, like this was really something new which was there, and it actually required some kind of networking. I don't know why I'm getting this word again and again, but it is like, being emotionally connected with people. When you start building up, like talking to people, different people have different mindsets. You really want to know everyone's mindset, and that is really fine, because that is not something which, it's like if someone is telling you this to do or this to do, you're just listening to them. You are not actually accepting the words, whatever the other person is saying. That is not the final, gospel truth. No, you are not like that. Because the strength is here, so it's that energy where you are listening to everyone around you. You are listening, but you are not, you're doing whatever you want to do. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is that energy. Why the strength is here, please? Why the strength card is here? Why the strength is here? The past energies, the world. Okay, I really feel that this is a change in you. This is not the old you. Okay, so because the old you were like more of an indecisive person. Really need to take which way to go, really need to balance out some stuff in your life. So this is, I really feel that this is your energy. Two of Pentacles, balancing, finding the balance in life. But I'm seeing that you have actually found the balance. You are more into, you're ready to accept the changes, whatever is happening. You are ready because of this beautiful strength card in your part. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. Why the King of Pentacles is here in your past energies for my Librans, please. King of Pentacles. The Hangman and the Page of Cups is here. So this is something where you really need to communicate with someone, but you're not able to do that. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are more into yourself. In your past energies, you are not ready to talk to, because you were actually, you were networking with people. But when it comes to like sharing your emotions, it is more about, you're mature. You're really mature about, just you're more into your business stuff. And right now you are like, okay, so if a hi hello comes from around, so you do that. But you really talk to people, you listen to them, you want to understand people around you. I'm seeing the Hanged Man over here. So these are your past energies which I'm telling you. That is a really big change. And with the World card, I'm seeing this is a really big change. Lessons have been learned from your past energies, from your past selves, from yourself only, whosoever you were in your past. So you are really learning those lessons. You are becoming the new you. So that is what is happening here. Okay, so let's see why the Eight of Rods is here. Ace of Rods. Okay, what else? Yes, I'm really seeing that you are accepting the change. Ace of Rods and Page of Pentacles are here. If you are learning new things, so you are ready for the new changes in life. See how this person is receiving some kind of a message. So you might be receiving some kind of a promotion, some kind of an offer from a loved one, somebody with whom you really want to start a new life, something like that. and this is because of the whole change in you which actually appeared in your past. So you're ready for you because the lessons have been learned, new journeys, new places to visit. So these things are really coming up and they're showing me in the present. Why the King of Swords is here, please? Three of Pentacles, see? So you are ready to fix things. You are more involved with the worldly stuff I'm seeing. You have done, your balance between your mind and heart was done. So now you're ready to work on stuff. You're ready to do the partnership. If you're ready to be involved in some kind of a partnership, like you want to enter some amount somewhere, you are ready for that. Some kind of partnership I'm seeing in your present energies, where you are more into communicating with people. Might be you're visiting for a date as well, because of the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Rods, a very passionate date with someone. Or with the Five of Rods, this person or you might be in that place where somebody out of you two are not competing with each other. It's like someone, there are two people around you who are like competing for you. Okay, so for you to get your, I don't know how to tell you that, where two people are actually competing with themselves so that they can win you. Yes, I found it. So this is that energy. Five of Rods, let's see what else it is. Eight of Pentacles, see? So somebody is really working hard, and I'm really feeling that it's you. I am seeing that you are working, you are giving your 100% your work, and whatever it is, you are really focused on something. At least you have a mission over here, and that is what you are working for, that mission, whatever this is. Let's see what is there in the future energies with the Death. What else do we have with the Death card, please? Ten of Cups, so I don't need to clarify more. Death with the Ten of Cups, it's like the bad endings, they will end, and you are ready for the changes, and the changes which are coming, they are like Ten of Cups. It's like wow, just wow. Happy families, whatever promotions you wanted, whatever new things, new job, new school, new institute, new university, something new, and you are ending the bad things, or you are accepting the changes. At least you are accepting them. What is this Page of Pentacles about? Why is it here? I'm seeing it as a new learner in something. The Seven of Wands. Okay, so learning new things, and basically not listening to people, taking your stand and doing something where everyone else, like you are out of 7 people, 6 are saying no for this particular thing, and you are like, no, I will do this thing. If you want, for some of you, it's like for some of you, if you want to study like you want to study fashion designing, everyone is saying no to that, but you are like, no, I will do it. So basically taking a stand of yourselves to study something new, to learn something new, because your future energy is really beautiful coming up. I'm seeing Librans. I don't know, whatever, might be a new family you are going to start as well, but it is more about your passion, your desire, what you need, new learnings in your life. That is what you are moving towards to, and you're taking a stand. I'm really seeing that. Finally, at least one reading, because from past so many weeks your reading was just like you need to take a stand and everything like that, but finally I'm seeing that you are taking a stand. Whatever you wanted to do, at least you are doing that, not listening to people around you. And that is why this Queen of Rods is here. She is the talk of the town. She takes the decisions herself. She doesn't need anyone to take the decisions for her. Alright, so that's all from my side, my Librans. I hope it helps for you, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.